In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a design into a folder in Canva. If you're trying to keep your Canva workspace organized, this is a simple feature that can save you a lot of time. Moving designs into folders makes it much easier to sort different projects, separate personal work from business content, and quickly find the file you need later. The process only takes a moment, and once you know where to click, it becomes very easy to repeat whenever you create something new. To begin, open Canva and make sure you're on your main account dashboard. From there, go to your Projects section. This is where Canva stores your designs, folders, and other saved content, so it's the right place to manage your files. Once you're inside Projects, look through your saved designs and find the one you want to move. Take a second here to make sure you've selected the correct design, especially if you have multiple files with similar names or thumbnails. Staying organized starts with moving the right item into the right place. After you've found the design, click the three dots associated with that file. This opens a menu with more options for managing the design. In that menu, select Move. This tells Canva that you want to change the location of the file without deleting it or creating a duplicate. Next, choose the folder where you want the design to be moved. If you already have folders set up, simply click the one you want. It can help to use clearly named folders so your content stays easy to manage over time. Once you select the folder, Canva will move the design there, helping keep your project's area cleaner and more organized. This is especially useful if you work on multiple types of content, such as presentations, social media graphics, videos, or client materials. A tidy folder structure can make your workflow much smoother and reduce the time you spend searching for files. And that's all it takes to move a design into a folder in Canva. It's a quick organization tip, but it can make a big difference when your workspace starts to fill up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.